Hello, 6th grade. It is Tuesday, May 5th, and we are working on area of triangles, okay? Your Monday assignment was on area of triangles on Khan Academy. All right, now we're gonna do some practice with area of triangles on more of a paper format. Okay, so the formula, right? We're going to take base times height and divide it by 2. Okay, that should sound very familiar because we did a lot of base times heights when we were doing area of quadrilaterals. Okay, but this time it's base times height divided by 2, or sometimes we see it as 1/2 base times height. Okay, I generally use this format at the top. Right, I just put in my base times the height and then hit divided by 2 in my calculator. Okay, so let's look at these examples. We've got 3 of them. All right, this is an example of a right triangle. Okay, the base is right here, which is 10. Okay, the base always has the right angle square sitting on it. Okay, so our base is 10. Okay, our height is 8. Remember, height must be straight up and down. It cannot be slanted. So we will do 10 times 8 divided by 2. So our area would be 40 centimeters squared. Okay, remember we are doing centimeters times centimeters. That's why it is centimeters squared. Any area is always going to have the unit of measure squared. Okay, here's the next triangle. Okay, this is an example of an equilateral triangle because all 3 sides are 6 inches. Okay, coming down through the middle is the dotted line with the right angle square. Okay, that is your height. Remember, your height cannot be the slanted sides. The height must always be vertical, straight up and down. Okay, so we're going to take our base, which is down here at the bottom. It's got the right angle squares sitting on it. So our base is 6. Okay, our height is 7. Okay, it's not the sides. All right, it's coming straight down. And then when we divide it by 2, okay, 6 times 7 is 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. Okay, inches times inches is inches squared. Okay, so that would be the area of this triangle. Okay, now let's look at the bottom one. All right, this is an example of an obtuse triangle because we've got this large angle in the corner. Okay, our base is down here at 12. Okay, our height is drawn on the outside. All right, we've got the dotted line coming down with a right angle square. All right, so 12 times 8, that will give us 96. Then we need to divide by 2, which will give us 48. And that's meters times meters, so 48 meters squared. All right. So 6th grade, all right, your assignment today, you're going to need to use your math book. You will need your calculator, okay? This should be a relatively easy assignment as long as you remember the divide by 2, okay? Remember, base times height divided by 2 to give you the area of a triangle. Right? Make sure you open up your Google document, follow the directions carefully. Right? And once again, remember your formula, base times height divided by 2. Have a good day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.